Ever wondered how Siri knows exactly what song you want to hear? Or how a robot vacuum navigates effortlessly around your living room? These aren't magic tricks, they're the work of AI agents. In this video, we're going to explore what AI agents are, how they work, and how they're already a part of your daily life, often in ways you don't even notice. By the end, you'll not only understand them, but also start thinking about how you could design one yourself. At their core, AI agents are systems designed to perceive their environment through sensors, make decisions based on what they detect, and then take action using actuators. Imagine an AI agent as a student in a classroom. The sensors are their eyes and ears, taking in information. Their brain is the decision-making system, figuring out what to do next. And their actuators are like raising a hand to answer a question or writing something down. AI agents come in different types, from simple ones that just react, to more advanced ones that plan, weigh options, and even learn from their mistakes. First up, simple reflex agents. Think of them as instinct responders. They follow an if this, then that rule. If the condition is met, they take action. No memory, no future planning. For example, an automatic door that opens when it senses motion, or a thermostat that turns on the heater when the temperature drops. They're great for straightforward, repetitive tasks, but they can't adapt beyond their programmed rules. Model-based agents are a step up. They have memory, an internal model of the world. They track how things change over time and use this memory to make better decisions. A self-driving car is a good example. It remembers the road layout, traffic patterns, and where other vehicles were a few seconds ago, even the ones it can't see now. It's like driving through fog. You rely on what you saw moments earlier to navigate safely. Now we move to goal-based agents. These are planners. They don't just react, they decide on a destination and then figure out the best way to get there. A GPS navigation app is a perfect example. It sets a goal, your destination, then considers traffic, road closures, and more to plot the fastest route. Goal-based agents look ahead, simulating possible outcomes before choosing the best one. Sometimes reaching a goal isn't enough. You also want the best possible outcome. That's where utility-based agents come in. They measure how desirable each possible outcome is and choose the one with the highest utility. Think of a food delivery app. It doesn't just get your food to you, it balances speed, cost, driver efficiency, and keeping the food hot. Utility-based agents are optimizers. They make trade-offs and aim for the best balance of priorities. Finally, we have learning agents, the most advanced type. They act, observe the results, learn from them, and improve over time. Your Netflix recommendations, your music playlists on Spotify, or your voice assistant adapting to your accent. These are all powered by learning agents. They have a critic to measure how well they're doing and a learning component to improve their decisions. Here's the full picture. Simple reflex agents, no memory, no planning, no learning. Model-based agents, memory but no planning. Goal-based agents, memory plus planning. Utility-based agents, memory, planning, and weighing trade-offs. Learning agents, all of the above, plus continuous improvement. Think of it as an evolution, from simple life forms to complex thinkers. Not every task needs the most advanced agent. For predictable, simple tasks, simple reflex works fine. For unpredictable environments, learning agents shine. And remember, more advanced agents require more resources, computing power, and time to develop. Your smart thermostat might just be a model-based agent, but your streaming service recommendations are the result of sophisticated learning. As AI technology advances, these categories are blending. Modern systems often combine multiple agent types for more power and flexibility. So here's your challenge. Think of a real-world problem you'd like to solve. Which type of agent could tackle it? What sensors would it need? And what actions could it take? The most exciting AI applications of the future don't exist yet, and you could be the one to create them. So now you know, behind every so-called magical AI experience is a carefully designed agent that senses, thinks, and acts. Next time you use Siri, Alexa, or even watch Netflix, you'll know the secret. And who knows? The next groundbreaking AI agent might just come from you. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next tutorial on building your own AI tools. And share this video with someone who's curious about AI. You might just inspire the next innovator.